How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Freeloader Farms. So today I'm going to be filling the chicken feeders back up. Today is Friday, December 10th, I believe. Yes, today is Friday, December 10th. So I'm going to be filling the feeders. Alright, that's it. Most of you are probably getting sick of seeing me fill chicken feeders, but this time of year, that's about all there is to do. Right now, outside, there's probably a couple inches of snow, maybe 3 inches of snow outside, and my phone says winter storm warning, and we're supposedly going to get 6 to 14 inches. 6 to 14 inches of snow possible, which, you know how the weather is never really right, so I'd be surprised. Be quiet, Douglas! I'd be surprised if we got that much snow, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill the feeders up. So now they're chowing down on the feed there. They're pretty hungry. They like that feeder a lot, I'm pretty sure, just because it's open and a lot easier for them to eat out of. So they always empty that one first. I think I previously said that, like, this one over here doesn't flow out of the bottom there very good. So, I mean, once it gets a little lower, it doesn't come out as good, but I let them eat as much out of there as they can. But they like this one a lot more than that feeder over there. But yeah, anyway, so I got all feeders filled. Yeah, so there's really not much else, I guess, but I guess I could go in and check for eggs quick, so maybe I'll go ahead and do that. See how many eggs I have right now, at least. So, yeah. I've been giving them some corn. Need to get more in my bucket here in the barn, but they like that too, but they're all doing good. Looks like we got 4 in there. That one cracked. I hope not. No, it's not cracked. Holy moly, 8, 9. You can't really see good in there, but let's see. So it looks like, holy moly. I think I got 12 eggs. Yeah, 12 eggs, that's really good. I mean, I've only been getting, the most I've gotten is, well, since it got cold, they're getting used to the cold weather. But, most I have gotten, I was only getting like 7 or 8 for a while because of the cold weather. I was getting 10 then for a little bit, but so far, it's about 1 o'clock right now in the afternoon. And, so far there's 12 eggs, which, because of the cold weather, the chickens slow down. But I think they're maybe kind of getting used to it. I think I got 11 recently. But 12, I've been, back in the summertime, I was getting about 12 from these 15 hens. 12 or 13 a day, so I got 12 so far a day. Well, I got 13. I seen there's an egg over there in that other nesting box, so I got 13. That is very good. I have not got that many eggs in a while, so happy to see that. It's a little nicer. I seen that next Wednesday. I think it's supposed to get up to 54 supposedly, so we'll see about that. But yeah, I got 1 other egg over there, so I've got 13 eggs today. I'm very surprised. It is warmer than it has been recently. It's been pretty cold, but I'm very surprised that I got that many eggs. So yeah, happy about that. So that's good. Hopefully they kind of stay laying better like that. But yeah, so that'll probably be it for this video. Got the feeders filled, got water, and yeah. They don't really like those oyster shells too much. Sometimes they'll mix corn in or something. They don't eat them too much. I don't think I'm going to get exactly oyster shells next time. They just don't seem to like them very much. Neither did the old hen. I know they have grit. I might get that next time. Grit, I think they might like that better. It's a little smaller pieces, and they might like that better, so I'll see about that. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry that really not much else besides feeding chickens, but hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.